In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L360 printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you have opened it, please navigate to the search bar and type for Epson L360 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the support one, click on it under epson.com, which is the official website for this Epson. And in that way, you would be able to be navigated to a new page where you can download this printer driver. Okay, so here, wait until you can see a drop down menu below where you can manually select the operating system, which is the Windows 11. Once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. And please click on the go here so that you would be able to refresh the page again and you can see the driver. So please wait until you'd be able to see a list of the option here below. Once it's here, please click on drivers and choose for printer driver, click on download, and eventually you'll be able to be navigated to a new tab where here it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Click on accept, and in that way you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case if you haven't yet, then download it. Once you have downloaded it, please move it or copy and move it to the desktop, okay? And once you have placed it here to the desktop, you need to make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract it, or either double tap the file, and in that way you'll be able to unzip or extract this file. So use your WinRAR tool if you have so, and then go with extract to L360. In a few moments, you would be able to create a new file folder. Once it's here, okay, this is the time that we can now start the installation. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here you need to proceed to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. Okay, so once done, you need to locate for the printers and scanners here, and there you can see an option called add device. Click on it and wait until you can get a new option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and in a few moments, you would be able to open a new window, which is this one. Go with the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. Click on Next and go with Have Disk, and you need to click on the Browse. And since our extracted desktop, then we need to choose for our desktop. Okay. Navigate here and then scroll down and navigate to the extracted file, double tapped again, double tapped until you can see the driver. Once it's here, select it, click on the open option here, and then you need to click on the OK. So once you have pasted it here, you need to click on next and you can rename the printer name. So in my case, I'll be renaming it Epson L360 for easy identification. The moment you've clicked on next, you can now start the installation. So please wait until this process would be finished. Once done, click on Next, click on Finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the Epson L360 printer driver in Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.